Welcome back to Origami Boy. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create an origami water snake. The final product will look like this. All you will need to create this is 6 standard size pieces of origami paper, and it does not matter what color you choose. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is fold all 6 pieces of your origami paper once in half like this. So it's going to form a triangle. Once you have done this for all 6 of them, 3 of the 6 that you have created, you're going to take the left side and you're going to fold it up to that top part of your triangle. Let's try to make solid creases. The tighter the creases are, the better it's going to turn out. So, again, it's going to look like this. Only do this for 3 of the 6 that you have made. The second step is you're going to need to do that again, except for the next 3, you're going to need to fold it up from the right. So you're going to take your triangle, fold up the right side. Now, after you do 3 left, 3 up from the left, and 3 up from the right, it's quite simple. You're just going to need to hook it up by simply opening up the little flap on the left or the right, that little piece right there, and you're just going to put the bottom of it, you're going to put the bottom of another one into there. So again, you're just going to put it right into there. Try to get it as tight in there as you can. Alright, so it's going to form like this kind of thing. It looks kind of weird right now, but if you do it for all 6 of them, where you have it up from the right and the left, if you connect all 6 of them, then it will look like the final one that I made, like this. Now, the one last thing that you can add if you would like is the head, the little snake head. Alright, to make the snake head, you're going to need to take another 7th piece of paper. This is optional. And you're going to need to fold it again in half to make this triangle kind of shape. Give it a nice straight crease right there. Now you're going to open it up this time. And you're going to fold it up on each side like this, like right as I'm doing. Try to get it right as close as you can to that middle line there. Try to get it really close to there. Now you're going to do that again on the left side. And then from here, it gets a little bit more complicated. So if you're getting it so far, that's great. Now you're going to fold down the top and make sure it gets on this line. Keep it on that line. Down the middle. So it should look like this right now. Now the next thing you're going to need to do, this is where it gets a little bit harder. Alright, you're going to turn it over. Then you're going to fold it down, kind of to the side like this. Try to get it nice and far. You're going to do this for both sides. So it should look like this once you're done. Just a little bit, but you're flipping it over, and then you just gotta do this. You're gonna fold this side down. Now you're just gonna fold these corners over. Just these little bottom corners. And some of the snakes look a little bit stranger than the other snakes. So depending on how you fold yours, it totally depends on how far you pull this part down. So if you pull that down farther, it's going to turn out to look more like this head. But if you keep it up a little bit higher, it's going to kind of turn out to look like this. And once you do that, now I'm going to connect this head to the bottom of the other snake. And to connect the head, you do exactly what you did for the other ones. You just put that right in that pocket right there. And make sure, if you want, you can use a little tape on the back or something just to keep it together. But there's your origami snake.